Hello, my name is Sang Lee. I'm the presenter of my team. Let me introduce the project of my team. My presentation is in this order from introduction to schedule. Introduction. The page is same as the last presentation, so I will skip this page. We decided to focus only on emotion classification task among the several emotion analysis tasks. Motivation. We decided to reset the limitation of existing approaches again. The first one is the lack of researches on emotion extraction, especially on Korean dataset. The number of researches on emotion extraction is much less. The second one is the lack of dictionary for Korean emotion lexicon. There are some dictionary for English emotion lexicon like Semanti, WordNet, so we can apply the lexical clue using the dictionary for English. But there is no dictionary for Korean emotion lexicon, so it is hard to apply the lexical clue using dictionary. Korean dataset requires applying deep learning methods. The last limitation of existing approach is that the rule should be defined by human. Making rule is a very costly job. So we propose a new approach which is attention-based deep learning classifier. We referenced a paper named Neural Sentiment Classification with User and Product Attention. We will apply the deep learning model from this paper to our task. Note that this paper deals with sentiment classifier. We will extend the model to classify emotion classes, and we will convert the models to support Korean dataset. It accompanies applying Korean NLP techniques to Korean dataset. Evaluation. This will be our future plan. The Korean dataset is already provided by private enterprise which our lab work with. It has taxonomy of emotions for sentences and approximately 9,000 sentences from about 400 documents. It has taxonomy of emotions. Of course, the dataset consists of Korean and has manually labeled emotion classes. The next is experiment settings. We will conduct the experiment on Ubuntu 16.04 server with GPU GTX 1080 Ti. We will use Anaconda virtual environment with TensorFlow 1.4, Python 3.5, and CUDA 8 version. Schedule. For next week, we will implement the model in the paper and apply it with original English data. For the second week, we will adapt the model for our Korean dataset. For the third week, we will set the hyperparameter with lots of trial and error. And if the performance is bad, we will implement alternative or improved methods. During all of the experiments, we will collect the research and analyze them for the future work. For the last week, we will prepare for final report and presentation. This is end of my presentation. Thank you.